Come test drive the 2016 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.